Installing a new door can enhance your home's appearance, security, and energy efficiency. However, after installation, you might encounter some common issues that can affect functionality and aesthetics. Knowing what these problems are and how to fix them can save you time, money, and frustration. Here are some of the most frequent door installation issues and practical solutions to resolve them. Door won't close properly. A problem. A newly installed door that won't close properly is a common issue. This may be due to misaligned hinges, an uneven frame, or swelling caused by humidity changes. How to fix. Check the hinges. Tighten loose screws or replace them with longer ones for better grip. Adjust the frame. If the door is rubbing against the frame, sanding down the sticking edge slightly can help. Weatherproofing. If swelling is the issue, consider sealing the door with a protective coating to prevent moisture absorption. Gaps around the door problem. Gaps between the door and frame can lead to drafts, energy loss, and security concerns. How to fix. Use weather stripping. Applying weather stripping around the edges can help seal small gaps. Adjust the door frame. If the gap is significant, the frame may need to be realigned or shimmed. Check for warped wood. If the door itself is warped, replacing it might be the best solution. Squeaky hinges problem. Newly installed doors sometimes develop squeaky hinges due to friction or lack of lubrication. How to fix. Apply lubricant. Use WD-40, petroleum jelly, or even cooking oil to lubricate the hinges. Tighten screws. Loose hinges can create noise, so tightening them can reduce friction. Replace old hinges. If lubrication doesn't work, consider replacing worn-out hinges. Door sticking or dragging on the floor problem. If your door is difficult to open or close, it may be sticking against the frame or dragging on the floor. How to fix. Sand down the bottom edge. If the door drags on the floor, lightly sanding the bottom can create clearance. Tighten or replace hinges. Adjusting hinges can correct minor misalignments that cause sticking. Check for structural movement. If the house has settled, you may need to adjust the door frame. Door lock misalignment problem. If the lock and latch don't align correctly, locking the door can be challenging. How to fix. Adjust the strike plate. Loosen the screws, reposition the plate, and tighten it back in place. Tighten hinges. Misaligned hinges can shift the door, affecting the latch's position. Shave down the door edge. If necessary, sanding the door edge slightly can allow the latch to align properly. Drafts coming through the door problem. Drafts can make your home less energy efficient and uncomfortable. Fix. Install a door sweep. A door sweep at the bottom prevents air from leaking through. Apply caulk. Use caulk to seal gaps in the frame. Replace weather stripping. Over time, weather stripping wears out, so replacing it can improve insulation. Loose doorknob or handle problem. A loose handle can be an annoyance and a security risk. Fix. Tighten screws. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws on the handle or knob. Use thread locking adhesive. If screws keep loosening, applying thread locking adhesive can help secure them. Replace worn-out hardware. If the handle is too worn, replacing it may be the best solution. Conclusion: door installation problems can be frustrating, but most issues have simple fixes. Whether it's misalignment, gaps, or squeaky hinges, these common problems can be addressed with a little patience and basic tools. By identifying and fixing these issues early, you can ensure that your new door functions perfectly and enhances your home's security and efficiency.